Today I am reviewing the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what truly sets this system apart. Massive capacity. This isn't your average portable power station. This is a 6,128 watt-hour solar generator bundled with 2 expandable battery packs and high-efficiency 400-watt solar panels. Whether you're running power-hungry appliances like air conditioners, refrigerators, electric stoves, or simply need reliable energy during blackouts, the Jackery 2000 Plus delivers with ease. This monster of a system delivers up to 3,000 watts of output power, enough to run virtually anything in your home or RV. And here's the kicker. With the right setup, you can expand the system's capacity up to a jaw-dropping 24 kilowatt hours. That's enough energy to sustain a small household for days or power an RV setup indefinitely when paired with adequate solar input. You can even connect 2 Explorer 2000 Plus units in parallel to double both the voltage and output, reaching 240 volts and up to 6,000 watts of power. That's commercial-grade performance in a highly portable package. Now let's talk about charging speed, because downtime isn't something anyone wants in an emergency or while camping. With up to 1,800 watts of AC input and 1,000 watts of solar input, the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus charges incredibly fast, from 0 to 80% in just 1.3 hours via wall outlet, or in about 1.6 hours with 6 Solar Saga 200-watt panels. That's nearly full capacity in under 2 hours, faster than most phones. But speed and power mean nothing without safety, and Jackery knows this well. The system is built around Leaf APO-4 battery technology, known for thermal stability, long cycle life, and safe high-load output. It operates silently at only 30 decibels, making it perfect for indoor use, van life, or remote camping. The built-in cooling system improves heat dissipation by 30%, and it's engineered with advanced protection against shocks, fire, and even extreme temperatures. Battery longevity is also a strong point here. With Jackery's Charge Shield fast charge technology, the battery life is extended by 50% compared to conventional lithium batteries. That means up to 10 years of reliable performance with regular use. And if you're not planning on using it daily, its smart shallow charging mode helps preserve battery health over time, ideal for long-term storage. Now, here's something many people miss. You could qualify for a 30% federal tax credit under the Residential Clean Energy Credit Program. That's real money back in your pocket when you invest in qualifying solar equipment like this. Be sure to consult your utility provider or tax professional for details and eligibility in your area. But it's a huge plus for U.S. buyers looking to reduce their energy footprint and tax bills simultaneously. Another underrated feature? Jackery's 5-year warranty and responsive customer service. It's not just about having the gear, it's about peace of mind. And Jackery has a solid track record of standing behind its products. All of this combines into a package that isn't just ideal for preppers or campers. It's also a fantastic home backup solution. Whether you're dealing with seasonal storms, rolling blackouts, or just want to be ready for anything, this system covers all the bases. If you're planning your next off-grid trip, prepping for the unexpected, or just tired of unreliable grid power, the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus kit is a power investment that's hard to beat. Check the links in the description to learn more or grab yours at the best available deal. Thanks for tuning in.